Nothing will look like, oh my gosh, fresh off the red carpet, okay? No, all right. Salut tout le monde, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I am going to show you a very short tutorial on how I get my hair to look like this if you are interested. How I get my hair to look like this when it's not in my mouth. Yeah, to look like this. Yo, I am turning. My legs, my knees just keep hitting everything. It's like my nails, my legs are like a little bit on the longer side, and it's like they're hitting everything. So I may not be turning around a lot. Hold on, let me see if I can move some stuff because this is a hazard. Okay, I think. Hold on, let's see. Ouch! No, it's still. You know what? I'm just not gonna turn around like that much anymore because yeah, ouch. But anyways, without further ado, let's get into the video. So now we are going to take it out. By the way, I usually do this overnight, but I've had this on for a couple more days. So I have the first one out. So I had end up with three situations. So that's what we're gonna do. So as I'm doing my hair, minding my business, this thought came to mind. I went to, and if you're a teacher or if you have kids and you've heard this before, you can answer this question, or if you have any information on it, let me know. So I went to a meeting at my son's school. Yes, I have I have a school-age child. So my son is in kindergarten, right? I have a school-age child. Oh my gosh, you can't tell me nothing. You cannot tell me nothing. Now I'm aiding. The conversation just took a completely different way, completely different route. But now I aid with showers. Now I aid with like dressing and stuff. And it depends on where we're going. Sometimes I just let people wear their stuff backwards or inside out. I mean, you know, different strokes for different folks. You like backwards and inside out shirts? Have fun. Unless we're going somewhere important. Now I just aid with stuff, you know, versus doing it all by myself. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I say all this to say I have a school-age child. And so I went to this before I got too excited. I went to a meeting for my son's class my son's school the other day. And they were discussing something about, and again, if you're a teacher, you can, you know, shed some light on this. They were discussing something about how they're not, I guess before, because again, I didn't have a school-age child. I didn't go to school here. But apparently they used to have like books in the classrooms to where the teachers could just allow the children to read books or whatever. But now it would appear that the state give them a list of approved books. And if I understood correctly, the books that they have in their classroom, they have to register those books in a database. And then that is accessible to the entire country. So out here in Florida, if you go to any public school in Florida and you register a book that is in your classroom in your database, a mom from Detroit, Michigan, I don't know why I just went with that, but a mom from Detroit, Michigan could go into the database, look at a book from your a classroom and decide, okay, maybe the book was about a frog or something, and they can decide that this book is offensive to them, and they can request for you to take the book down and potentially like sue you. They're gonna get more information on that situation, and that goes all the way to high school, by the way. It's not just an elementary school or middle school, it goes all the way to high school. Every single school apparently that is part of OCPS will have to, like Orange County Public School will have to do that to their classroom, and that goes all the way to high school. And now they can still read, but it has to be from the list of books that is approved by the state. And if they wanted to like have them read anything else, it has to be in the database. So yeah, I wanted to know if like anybody else has experience in that particular area. Does your school do that in your state or in your district? Like, what is going on with that situation? And do y'all believe that it's for the greater good, or do y'all believe that there is like another reason as to why they don't want the kids reading just any kind of books? Yeah, let me know your thoughts on that. I mean, I go to the library, like again, that's another thing. I got my kids like library cards. Oh my gosh, I feel like such a mom. I'm like, I have kids that are like grown that get library cards. I'm like a mom of grown children. Oh my gosh. But anyways, I did take my kids to the library and I got them library cards. So we go get books every now and again. So I get to like read the books that they have to read. I make sure I go through them and I approve this message, because the world is funny these days. The agenda is not for us, you know? Anyways, it's still developing. So they're supposed to get more information on that as to what's going on. But comment below if you know anything, if you have heard that, or if you have experience with that, or if you haven't, look into it and tell me what you find out, because I thought it was like interesting. But anyways, that is the hair. I've taken it out from looking out here in the mirror. So what I like about doing this style is I literally don't have to like, unless you want to, I guess you could, but I don't have to like keep splitting it. If you want like a fuller look, you can, but I don't want to keep slitting it because I want my curls to hold. So I like the fact that I don't have to do that. So we have our hair down, you go about your business, you do what you need to do, and then you feel like, I don't want my hair down anymore. I just want to change the look. And I'm going to show you 3 different hairstyles you can do with this type of twist out. Disclosure though, I'm actually gonna wear my hair out, so I'm not going to manipulate my curls too much while I try to do these styles. So bear with me. If you want to like sleek something more, you can. If you're actually gonna wear your hair that way, that for the purpose of just showing you these hairstyles, I'm not going to sleek them because I don't want to manipulate my curls too much and lose them. Okay, so for the purpose of this tutorial, I will not sleek anything. Nothing will look like, oh my gosh, fresh off the red carpet. Okay, no. All right. And there you go. There you have it. This is the first hairstyle. Let me turn around so you can see the back. And that's the back. That is style numero uno. Moving on to style numero dos. Oh, that's a song. That could be a hit now. Every time I see this one gray hair here, I'm like so proud. I was like, oh my gosh, it means I'm growing in wisdom. It means I'm getting wiser. Okay? I am getting all the way wise out here every time I see this. You see this? You see this? Put some respect on my name. The level of wiserization that is happening in my life right now is out of this world, because you see the gray hair. I can't make it up. For this, we are going to use some bobby pins. This would be style número dos. Número dos. Moving on to style number 3. And voila. So if you're, like I said, if this is a style, look, I got makeup all over my shirt. If this is a style you're going to use, you can sleek your hair, do the back. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see. You can sleek the back, you know, make it all nice. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just gonna keep it very simple and very basic. So that would be it for style número 3. The reason why I do this is when you gather your hair and you're tying it by yourself, it tends to, the like pieces of hair tend to get caught in your actual ponytail that you're trying to make, and you don't want that. So if you get it out the way, you can gather your hair and you can do your ponytail, and you don't have to worry about the ends of your hair getting caught in your ponytail. That is the purpose of tying it up here and doing that. And so you gather this like so, and if you get one of these, you don't have to ever worry about not having somebody there to help you tie your hair when you're trying to make a nice sleek ponytail, because this baby is nice, it's secure, it doesn't go anywhere. You wrap it around as many times as you need to make it as tight as you need to, and it's not going anywhere. Oops, where'd it go? It doesn't go anywhere. It stays in place and your ponytail is nice. Then you're gonna take off your little rubber band here, and then you're gonna bring this down, fluff it out, make your stuff land where you need them to land. And voila, that is that for style number 4. I'm gonna turn around so you can see. Like I say, you can sleek the back if you need to, and just make your hair look as nice as you need to. But yeah, that is it for that style. Okay, I went back to basic because I'm actually gonna be wearing my hair down for the rest of the day, but I do not think that my curls are gonna last another day, so I'm probably gonna end up with a different hairstyle for the rest of the week. So yeah. But anyways, that is it for today's video. Let me know which hairstyle was your favorite, and if you do end up trying them out, let me know which one that you liked better on yourself. Let me know down below in the comments. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. But until then, I hope to see you in the comment section. Bye.